How to change email address on Steam account. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Steam account. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you can find your username. Go ahead and click on it. Now click on the option of account details. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now go ahead and click on the option of account details. Under that, you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. You will find the section for contact info. Under that, you will find the option of change my email address. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have to click on this option of email and account verification code to your email address that is linked with your account. Or in the case you don't have access to your email address, you can go ahead and click on this option. But in the case you do have an access to your email address, click on this one option. Now you will be receiving verification code in the email address that is linked with your account right now. Check your mail and type in the code over here and then click on continue. Now in the next page you will be asked to type in the new email address for your account. Go ahead and type in your new email address. After you type in your new email address, you have to verify that email address as well. You will be receiving verification code in that email address. You have to type in that code, and with that your email address will be updated. So this way you can easily change email address on your Steam account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.